Using Freshsales CRM involves several key steps to manage customer relationships efficiently. Here's a concise guide on how to use Freshsales CRM. Sign up and log in. Visit the Freshsales website and sign up for an account. Log in with your credentials. Set up your account. Customize your account settings by going to the admin settings. Here, you can set up your company details, users, and roles. Import data. Import your existing contacts, leads, and accounts. Go to the Contacts tab and select Import Contacts. You can import data from CSV files, other CRMs, or directly from your email. Create leads and contacts. Add new leads manually by clicking on the Leads tab and selecting New Lead. Fill in the necessary details and save. You can also add contacts by navigating to the Contacts tab and clicking New Contact. Track deals. Manage deals by clicking on the Deals tab. Here you can create a new deal, track its progress, and move it through different stages of your sales pipeline. Set up email integration. Integrate your email account to send, receive, and track emails directly within Freshsales. Go to Admin Settings, Email Settings, and follow the instructions to connect your email. Use the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your sales activities, tasks, and performance metrics. Customize it to display the most relevant data. Automation and workflows. Automate repetitive tasks using workflows. Go to Admin Settings, Workflows to create rules that trigger specific actions based on conditions. Reports and Analytics. Generate reports to analyze your sales performance. Navigate to the Reports tab, where you can create custom reports or use predefined ones to gain insights into your sales data. Mobile app. Download the Freshsales mobile app to manage your CRM on the go. The app allows you to access contacts, track deals, and perform other CRM functions from your mobile device.